Yo, this video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm talking about the Ultra giveaway. I mean, I'm not trying to. 1 second. I'm not trying to give you guys any bad information, but people get confused on the Ultra giveaway. I mean, I'm just trying to give you guys how to win the giveaway, and so far I've had like 21 views. Okay, I've had some replies here. Yeah, guys, I might change this giveaway around. Just, do any of you know how to find where your subscribers are? Because, I mean, I really gotta know. Because some people are gonna take advantage and try. I might have to call off this giveaway because I haven't even got 1 subscriber. So I'm really thinking. Okay, no guys, I'm so sorry to say this, but I'm going to have to call off the Ultra giveaway. Why? Because I mean, I've tried to promote it and people keep taking advantage. This person just lied here just to get inside the giveaway. Hi, can you put my username in? I can't comment, but I did everything else. No, she did not. I had 11 subscribers, still have 11 subscribers. I mean, guys, honestly, I'm probably gonna call off the Ultra giveaway. I'll hide them. So yeah, okay, basically I'm not gonna make any problems about this, but I mean, I really don't want to call off this giveaway, but I've had a bunch of lame excuses just to get inside the giveaway. People are taking advantage of this giveaway, and I'm getting sick of it. I just want you guys to play by the rules. I mean, I wish I could, but do you think anyone gets this for free? I mean, it's not. Okay. You know, guys, honestly, maybe it's just I'm too obsessive with 50 subscribers. I might cancel it. Okay, guys, honestly, I love you all, but Huh? You know, guys, honestly, I mean, I really don't want to cancel off this giveaway. Probably because I'm too obsessive, so I don't want to be mean. I won't cancel off the giveaway. I'm not canceling my own show giveaway. I'm just going to be changing it to this Princess Lounge tier, and I'm going to lower the amount at 20 subscribers. We're up to 11. 8 more subscribers, and one of you will win this Princess Lounge tier. No, I'm not trying to be mean, but people keep taking advantage on my own show giveaway. I'm so sorry for you who have tried their best to win this on show, but I just can't. I mean, no one's cooperating with me on this, and I'm getting really sad and disappointed. So at 20 subscribers, I promise you I will not change the giveaway. I'm really stupid, okay? But at 20 subscribers, I'm giving away this Princess Lounge tier. I made a big mistake and made a gap all the way to jumping to an Ultra call. I'm so sorry I cannot give away this, guys, but it's probably because for the best, all of you are trying to take advantage of my giveaway. I'm not accusing anyone, but the people who did the best, you guys are really the fans who appreciate me. So I'm still not gonna let you down. I'll give you this and I won't make any more changes. Just please don't take advantage of this giveaway. Okay? Okay? Bye. My next giveaway will explain.